Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money with ChatGPT. In this video, we will show you how you can leverage the power of ChatGPT's natural language generation capabilities to create your own models and monetize them. First, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that uses a technique called deep learning to automatically generate text. One of the advantages of ChatGPT is that it can be trained to generate text on a variety of topics and in different styles. That is precisely why it is so valuable for making money. You can train it to create custom language models and sell them to businesses and developers. Examples of how you can use ChatGPT to make money. 1. Automated content generation. You can train a ChatGPT model to generate text on a specific topic, such as news or blog articles, and sell that model to websites or blogs. 2. Automated response generation. You can train a ChatGPT model to answer frequently asked questions for a website or messaging app, and sell that model to businesses. 3. Automated dialogue generation. You can train a ChatGPT model to generate realistic dialogue in a variety of situations, such as virtual assistants or games, and sell that model to app developers. How to train ChatGPT. 1. It is easy to train your own ChatGPT model. You can use OpenAI's API to access the pre-trained model and use your own data to fine-tune it for a specific task. 2. There are many resources available online to learn how to train ChatGPT, including tutorials, documentation, and online communities. Conclusion. 1. As you've seen, ChatGPT offers many opportunities for making money, from automated content generation to automated dialogue generation. 2. With a little knowledge and effort, you can train your own ChatGPT model and monetize it. 3. I hope this video has given you an idea of the possibilities offered by ChatGPT, and I encourage you to investigate further. Good luck in your ventures. Note, it's important to remember that training language models and monetizing them should comply with legal and ethical standards. Also, it is recommendable to do a deeper research on the model and the possible implementations before taking any action to monetize it.